Hello everyone, so I'm back with another book unboxing. In this Flipkart package, there is a book in it, and the book is very special. I ordered this book because I'm a fan of the writer, president, engineer. I hope you have guessed who is this person. He's very special and very important for the students especially. So without further ado, let's unbox. So here is the book. Ignited Minds, A.P.J. Abdul Kalam. And as I said, A.P.J. Abdul Kalam served as a scientist, aeronautical scientist for India, and also he was 11th president of India. So we are very proud of him, and we know that his book Wings of Fire, and there are many books that he wrote, and he also wrote this book for the students. And I have ordered this book for my sister. I want her to know more about APJ's writing, Abdul Kalam's writing, and the kind of thoughts that he wants to share with the young minds of India. So this is a very special book. So let me tear this thin cover, nicely packed by the way, and wow. So it's published by Penguin publication, and no doubt the quality of the book is amazing, and the price is here $199, you can see, but I got a great deal. It cost me $143 on Flipkart, excluding the delivery charge, because I'm a Flipkart Plus customer. Once again, I'm just saying it anyway. So the cover of the book is amazing. The build quality is amazing, and it's a shiny cover. All right, and it has, let me show you the pages count. The number of the pages, it has 180 pages. So if you want to read any books of APJ Abdul Kalam, you can grab this copy, go and get this copy and start reading. That's it for now. Thank you so much.